Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 11B.
Would like to give our opinion about the English assessment. Initially, when we took the exam, we used the CBT system, but due to renovation at 110 Senior High School Jakarta, the CBT system was replaced by a project.
The replacement of CBT is a very profitable project for us. The use of CBT has disadvantages, namely in the internet networking, security is lacking, and the system is slow.
However, because of the replacement of this project, it helps us in developing creativity and innovation. For example, the English language project, which provides oration, campaign, and debate projects.
This project helps us in critical reasoning,
Improve us in public speaking, and voices our opinions.
and that's our opinion about English language assessment. Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agania Wildania. I'm here for representing my class, and this time I will discuss the difference between test using CBT and project. CBT is an application in which there are questions and we as students have to answer these questions. While in this year we made a project, and in the project we were instructed to make videos about debate, campaign, and speech. Each of these examination methods has its own advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of CBT is that students cannot cheat, while for projects, students can make creative things in their videos. Meanwhile, the disadvantage of CBT is that students cannot hone their creativity, and when it comes to project, many students are late at submitting assignments and even cheat. I think that's enough, see. In my opinion, that is the difference between test using project and CBT. If there are any shortcomings or errors in the words I said, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Azana Rizati from 11D. I wanna representing about English assessment. So first of all, before we doing a project English assessment, we are doing a CBT, which is we are answering some question with English, and after that we change it to project. And this project we have three choices, and is it oration, kampanye, and debate. With three of that, we are have a good grade. Then we are using CBT, and there's no remedy about using project. And then this project make us unlock our new skills. And this project assessment, it's so good, and please continue doing this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Davina Jasasabila.
My name is Meja Pangaritila.
My name is Brenda Celia. So today we'll be passionate about the two sides of CBT and the new method of exam.
Due to the new curriculum that is applied to our education system, a lot of changes is visible that we could see in school, from the way of learning to examination.
Last year, to see our competence by the end of the semester, we did an exam, a CBT or a computer-based test. Question and problem are solved for students to solve and answer based on the knowledge we earned throughout the semester. This method of exam do has its own advantage and disadvantage.
First, through CBT test, the chances of student on cheating the exam is minimized by the system that would automatically send their answers when a student tries to open another tab during the exam session. Second, it also helps teachers grading the assessment much more easier. Through a computer-based test, teacher could easily input the scores of each student more faster. Also, increase the effectiveness of students finishing the exam based on the duty.
Okay, although there's a plenty of positive side of CBT, there's also a downside of using the method. First, students may have find it hard to access the exam since they require a good signals in order to do the exam, which may quite of us during the exam that could affect student focus. Second, system errors is undeniable that could happen any time of the day. Some students may have issues on sending their response, or their data had been accessed accidentally by another student.
Okay, but nowadays we are introduced by the new way and method by the new curriculum. That is by practicing or performing the subject we learn in real life to improve our understanding more better. In English, we perform exposition text through debate, oration, or campaign. We are given the will to choose between the three options based on our skill and understanding. The flexibility of this assessment do create two sides in our education.
Okay, the positive effect of this method is we can understand the subject we are studying a lot more better and effective by performing and applying exposition text through debate or other ways. We will analyze more on our tasks that improves more not just our English skill but also our character by showing independence and open manners. There are still a downhill of these methods of assessment. Some students might find it hard to apply the subject we learn in real life. Some might be not familiar enough speaking in public or speaking English in general, which might be the case of why some students may send an unqualified assessment due to not achieving the main goal of this examination.
And that is our presentation for the topic of the two sides of CBT and the new method of exam. We hope our video could inspire you more and share a new perspective of ours about the education system. Thank you for listening. See you soon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone, we're here from class 11A and we're here to give our review on the current assessment. And before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ibu Balita.
My name is Bernayawati Farina.
My name is Rafi Abdul Kasiri.
My name is Helmi.
There is a difference in final semester assessment technique. Usually we are using CBT application, but now we are using practical.
And last year we used to use CBT application, which is an exam that was taking place online, and it has its own advantages and disadvantages. First of all, the advantages of it is that the grading is really fair and teachers are easily keeping track of it, and the disadvantages that it's sometimes easy to bypass and easy to cheat, and most students also having problems and errors during the exam.
I just want to say that it was a good thing that we do assessment for this semester evaluation. I think this assessment can give us benefit, like this assessment can improve our practical skill and develop our creativity. I think it will be great if we do this assessment like this semester again.
However, this assessment also has some disadvantages to them. Firstly, in the case of group team member work, the grades are separate. The grades are split equally, despite the fact that some members do more than the other member. And secondly, the resource and the time needed to complete one assignment is significantly more time-consuming and resource-consuming than the last year. And thirdly, a lot of students can get confused of what to do in the assessment, because the assessment were like, it took a long time and it's a big project sometimes. And that's it. That's all the disadvantages I can recall.
Of course, there are so many advantages and disadvantages of both. So yeah, that's our review. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.